AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR Virtual Functional Bus. General Introduction. Methodology, Generators. We want to take a quick look at the parts of the methodology that are important for the cooperation of the OEM and the supplier. The OEM generates different documents which describe the virtual functional bus. These documents are used to configure the system. For this task, the system configuration generator is used. After the system is described, the important information for every ECU needs to be extracted and documented in the ECU extract of system configuration. Every supplier gets an extract for its ECU from the OEM. This document holds all the information necessary for the supplier to develop the software for the assigned ECU. They use this document to configure their ECU, with the help of the ECU configuration generator, which generates all necessary documents for the entire configuration of the ECU software. There are a lot more generators for the development of AUTOSAR system, but the ones mentioned here are especially important. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.